going on, everybody? I say let's jump right in. Look at all this. BMG Jet, what's up? Real DJ, Azura, Reforged Rust. Welcome, 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 everybody. How's everybody doing? Travis? Hey, Travis, I never heard from you last week. Last week? 2 weeks ago. Last week. It'll hurt me if you sent me a message and it didn't go through. Yelnats, what's up, man? It will hurt me greatly. So, what does everybody think of the new apartments? The video, okay, so the video might settle out. Hopefully it will settle out. It might be a little bit twitchy to start out with. Why am I doing this? Opening all my doors individually. Very laggy, hey? Let me get away from here. Let me get away from here. It should level out. It was only because I had just gone live like seconds before. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it's already stopped. Usually what happens is as soon as I go live, it typically drops like a shit ton of frames right off the bat. And it doesn't seem to matter what I do. But if this doesn't clear up, I'll Okay, wait. Are you guys for real? Is it really that bad? If it's that bad, obviously this isn't going to work. And I know what it is, but it's bad. Shit. Okay. Well, that sucks. I know what it is, and there's unfortunately nothing I can do about it. Ugh. Okay. Let's see if this fixes anything. Let me know if that clears up. Yeah, see, the problem with that is I can't change anything while I'm live. It is already, yeah. It is already NVE. Okay, so that's me back. Okay, good. So, what are we gonna do here? Because that's, shit! That sucks. See, like my dropped frames are, it always happens right when I first start up. My frames are shit right out of the gate. And then usually it'll level out. And it's obviously not today. I know why it's not. And like I said, there's nothing I can do about it today. Definitely needs more likes. That will fix it. No, I can't pre-record. I could. Yeah, you're right. That is the fix for it. The pipeline's just too small. So right now, as it stands right now, is it good? Like, am I lined up and no longer twitching out like a, you know, like a one of those? Okay, it's good. All right, so I'm going to try it again. And if this doesn't work, then I'm going to completely scrap everything because that sucks. The best fix for commercials is to go with premium. I hate to say it, and I don't advocate for having to pay for that, but all right, we'll try this again. Yelnats, if the audio is way off, sometimes a refresh will fix it. Sorry, guys. That's hey, that's goes with the territory, man. But we'll try this again. Otherwise, how I really want to show you guys this stuff, though. That's the thing. I need to be able to show you guys this stuff. Dum. I'm just booting back in. I want to see what this does to. If this kills my frames again, obviously there won't be anything I can do about it. Yeah, right. I know, it's so annoying. Can you hear me now? How about now? Can you hear me now? Like, I mean, you'd think we would have this shit figured out before we got started. YouTube still shows as you're a knight, because you are actually Hades, right? Am I remembering that correctly? Yep. See, Hades. Yup. Too funny. Okay, so we're good now. Good now. Can you hear me now? No, just kidding. I'm just kidding, obviously. We'll see how this boots in this time. There's something else you have to do, Hades. You have to so you can change your Google name, but I think you also have to change your YouTube name separately because it's an @ it's not just a username, it's a @ so and so. Like mine is @ SRTBULL. Even though I'm like Rust Admin Academy. Dolce Fahrenheit ABC. Sometimes forget I have these old YouTube frames that, like this one that you're seeing there right now, I haven't used this one in months. I forget that they're there. It's pretty fun. All right, so let me know what you guys think of the new apartments. The extent of what I've done on the new apartments is I've rented a room and I went to sleep. And I did that on staging before the wipe. So, yeah. I didn't exactly have a whole lot of experience. Yeah, I know this is cancerous. I know. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Cancerous. Back to 2 FPS. Fuck. Okay, well, we know what that means. That means I can't show you this on today's stream. Nah, it's not you guys, it's me. I'm sorry, it's not you, it's me. Yeah, I know. Here, let me just get on location here, and then that sucks. I'm gonna try a different server to show you something else. But I don't think it's gonna fix anything. So me and my infinite wisdom. Now, well, the PC is fine. It's the internet that sucks. I can't get my internet sorted out. Like, it's just like, and right now I could show you my statistics, and it would be like, damn, those are really good statistics, but they're really not. Like 300 megs per second, no problem. Well, this sucks. This really sucks. I'm really sorry, guys. That's huge waste of space. Okay, so you are not the only person saying that. And I really like it. And I'm surprised that so many people don't. Oh yeah, see, it's even affecting my gameplay. This is not cool. Not cool, not cool. Not cool. This is running directly out of a Starlink router. Try setting game FPS. Oh man, could you imagine? Let's just see what that even looks like. Let's do, oh my god, I don't even know how to do this. Let's do all of this. That's gonna hurt me a lot. See, and I really like it too. I'm shocked at how many people absolutely hate it. Yeah, the enormous canyons, that was like, you want to talk about waste of space. That, in my opinion, that was way worse. I don't think I have any scrap. Penthouse, yes please. 350 scrap, are you sure? I can't afford that, so I can't do that. 20k prefabs, and it's a really bad performance hog. So I have heard that as well. I didn't specifically notice the performance hit, but I have heard that. Let me just get this done real quick. Yeah. Okay, good. Go. 602. So far, so many up the stairs. Where are we at? How many floors was that? 5. $602. This is me. Dum diddy dum dum. Anyway, so I'll yeah, they do need to let teams and clients. Okay, so what's going to happen there is the plugin developers out there are going to, they're going to make stuff happen. They always do. Big total death trap. I think it's going to be fun if people start engaging, and unfortunately the population doesn't really engage with new monuments, which is crazy. Can you not upgrade the workbench in all the apartments? No, you can't. You can't change anything. Oh yeah, 590 goes from 240 to 120. That's brutal. That is brutal. I also can't imagine what 590 would look like. 5090, sorry. I'm just stuck here with my old crappy 3080. Yeah, I know. I'm going to get out of here. I'll get out of here. Yeah. I'll try that other server and see if it does any better, but I doubt that it's going to. If the apartments have lots of players and loots, it will be laggy no matter what they do. Yeah, that's very true. Oh shit, I did the wrong thing. I closed the game. I didn't mean to. Holy, what a potato. Ah, there you go. Look, Hades is back. Now I no longer have to be confused by who it is. Just kidding. This week I remembered who you are, which is hilarious. But that's what you had to do. You had to go into YouTube specifically, hey? Yep, you're good, Hades. Make the game use multiple cores. Wouldn't that be nice? I've got a 16 core 32. No, get it together, man. I have 16 cores and I can only make use of one when playing Rust. It's a joke. Yeah, Reforged Rust, I do think they're going to be adding more. I don't know what else they would add because it's not like, even on a 250 player server, you're not ever going to rent out every single room. It's like, it's unreasonable to think that you are. People want to build bases. They might use it for temporary, like getting started, but even that I doubt. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what people actually try to use the apartments for. Yeah, Master Hazard. I know. I'm just booting into a server right now, so that's they aren't safe enough for people to live in them. Yep. Too true. Yeah, Master Hazard. Just give me a minute here. I know this sucks. If this doesn't work, I'll have to scrap it. It's unfortunate, but it's just the nature of the beach. More upset that they added default raids. Please tell me what that means. Default raids? Okay. Let me know what the FPS is doing right now. If this is shit, I'll just scrap what I had planned for today. I'm hoping that on a different server it's better. Removed Outpost and banned it from my maps a couple wipes ago, so no one can raid. It's a hybrid server anyways. Gotcha. I'm just looking for... so you're here, not on other channel. What? Okay, I gotta quit. Wow, what an absolute epic fail of an event. Rusty Old Man with the super chat. Thanks for helping me set up a private server to test on. Absolutely. It is absolutely my pleasure to help you out with that. Oh, come on. I need this to pick up. This is so stupid. Come on. I'm working on it. I know this sucks. This is such a fail. Such a fail. Holy. I need this to catch up. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go. Holy, what a joke. Is this really like, are you guys like, am I like totally stalled out right now? Like, is that what's going on here? Okay, I'm back. Let's try this. I need you guys to tell me what the hell is going on here. Hopefully. Okay, that seems better. Are we better than 0.01 FPS? Okay. Man, what a pain in the ass. This is so stupid. I am so frustrated right now. Like, oh man, I'm frustrated. 30 FPS. Okay, well, that's better than a kick in the pants. All right. All right. All right. All right. Many, many, many apologies. I'm so sorry about that. I've been fighting my internet for what seems to be months now. And it's like, I'm starting to wonder, like, honestly, I'm actually starting to wonder if like the NIC on my computer, if my network adapter is actually dead on my computer. Is that possible? Like, is that even a thing? Like, I'm pretty sure it's on board. It's built into my motherboard, so it's not like it's a separate NIC card. Ugh, it's so bad. I don't know how I'm going to show. Like, man, there were so many things I wanted to show you guys today. I have to show you guys these events, so I'm just going to have to do it on recorded video. That's just the nature of the beast. There's nothing. Apparently, I'm not going to be able to stream this. Get a USB Ethernet adapter. Yeah, good point. That would work. Yeah, I can see like the numbers are already sky high. My frame droppage is down to 0.8% and it was up to 4% before. It's so stupid. I wanted to show you guys VisEntities events today. That was my bad network settings can make it drop packets under load. Okay, so being that I'm not a network engineer, what do I do about that? Are you talking network settings on my computer or network settings like on my Starlink? Screen share in Discord? I do that. I absolutely do that. I do that often. Do. I said do. I think I even said it twice. There isn't an apartment complex event yet. Not yet. No, these are not the days to be building a new computer. That's for sure. The nice part about it is like most of my stuff is still like I'd need a new GPU. That's a no-brainer. But like RAM's good, cooler's good, Mobo's good. Actually, Mobo's probably not good. Actually, I might have to replace that too. Windows update that stuffed up some a while back, changing everything to hardware offload with cheap motherboards couldn't do. Well, I hope to God I don't have a cheap motherboard. That would frustrate the hell out of me. I would absolutely do that with somebody. I would hop into a call with anybody. BMG, it sounds like you know what you're talking about. Like maybe you could walk me through and make sure that my network isn't completely bottlenecked or something like that. What exactly is the name of the VisEntities mod called? You want to take a look. It is, well, I'm going to show you. I had it all set up so that I could show you guys. It is Game Core Game mode core. Yeah. Oh my god. I need to have it. I can't do this by memory right now. I'm all flustered. There's game mode core. So there's a core setup, and then you pick which event you want to add into it, is essentially how it works. Game mode core. That's what I was looking for. So like if you want to have a free-for-all, you just get the free-for-all event, you attach it to the game mode core. If you want to have an aim train, which everybody wants to be having an aim train, you just grab the aim train and you attach that to the game mode core. Now I'm going to try and boot up Chrome. And see how much that dog piles on my system. DMG, you know what? We had a date, man. And I don't know if I forgot or if you forgot, or I don't know what happened there, but we had a date. We were supposed to connect, yo. And we didn't. So game mode core, let's have a look. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's get this all set back up because damn, that went everywhere. This is what I'm talking about, game mode core right here. So this is the base plugin, and then you can add on any one of these extra events. And that's what I was going to show you today. We've got a server set up that has all these events set up on it. And I could show you, I could have demoed everything for you. I wanted to show you guys how it all worked before I do a tutorial on how to set it all up. It was going to be fun. I was looking forward to it. Aim train. We've got recoil trainers. We've got free-for-alls. We've got battle royale. We've got it all. I was going to show you guys. Anyways. Well, that sucks. I'm tempted to try this again. Now that I've restarted my PC, I'm tempted to try this again. Yeah, I can see my connection is excellent. Stop telling me that my connection is excellent. I see that it's excellent. Whatever happened to the PvE videos? Ugh, I know. I recently was contacted by somebody that just put out a new PvE plugin, like a fully managed one plugin that does it all. And I haven't done it yet, and I told him that I would. I should. I want to. I just haven't. Let's go. Let me see if I can find. Let's disable that. And go in here and go in here. I want to see if I can try to find it because I was really super interested in it. And I'm not like, you guys know me. You guys know that I don't like PvE. But I was willing to show this one off because it looked like he'd done a really good job. Where is this? Where is it? IFTE. Yep. Here, I'm going to show you guys. You guys, if somebody's using this right now and is willing to tell me what they think of it, that would be stupendous. That would be stupendous. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. I forgot that I had those things turned on in here. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the plugin that was recently presented to me to basically take care of all of your PvE. So it's coming. I just don't know when it's coming. So, okay, so Hades, I did not see that Facepunch instituted new raid time windows for the game. It's from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. I did not see that. So what are you saying? That you can't raid outside of those times? No, that can't be right. Is that right? You know what I need to do? Rusty Old Man super chatted $10. That was from earlier. It's obviously just catching up. So we're talking about the Common Ground update. Let's just have a look here. Sorry if you guys can hear my wife banging on. It sounds like she's banging on the counter. I don't know what she's doing out there. There might be a guard in the basement who has more information. Yeah, I bet. So are you talking about just in the apartment complex? I'm assuming you're talking about just in the apartment complex. It doesn't make sense for it to be otherwise. Raid windows. No shit. Look at that. It's hard to handle raids for more casual players. To combat this, we've created predefined time windows where you're allowed to raid each other. By default, raids can only happen between the hours of 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. This is set via your server's local time, so it's the same time zone for everyone. For example, 6 p.m. local time no matter where you are. During a raid window, everything is fair game. It's regular Rust. Outside of those times, tool cupboards, I think they meant to say protect the raid blocking system. Oh, project the raid blocking system. Okay. So you need to be inside of a TC radius to be protected outside of the window. During this time, building blocks and doors cannot be raided. Walls, floors, roofs, doors, ladder hatches, etc. Deployables can still be attacked, as can a tool cupboard if it's lying unprotected. A tool cupboard must be at least 1 hour old in order to block raids. This means a young TC can be raided regardless of whether a raid window is open or not, helping prevent the misuse of the system. Server owners have been given a bunch of convars to tweak this. Yeah, no one plays softcore. Too true. So really, really interesting stuff, and definitely an interesting step that they've taken because softcore wasn't softcore enough. Does not affect PvE servers running true PvE. No, of course, wait, unless it were running in softcore mode, then it probably would override everything that you set with true PvE, right? Because, well, unless true PvE goes in and alters those convars, that's a possibility. I had one of my servers set on softcore for about a day, and it was so bad. The people hated it so much that we actually had to wipe and go back to regular. It doesn't affect. Okay. Interesting. I wouldn't have thought that to be the case. True PvE just blocks all damage no matter the time. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So BMG, are we going to get into a call so you can help me fix my network? Ah, Hades has the simple PvE plugin. It's really good, or pretty good. Awesome. That's good feedback, because I did tell that dude that I would do a video on it, and it just so happened that we were having the conversation here about when I was going to get over myself and start doing PvE stuff. And yeah. Oh, yes, we are. Okay, let's do that. Can we do that tonight? Can we do that in 20 minutes? I know I'm asking a lot. I had a date night set for with BMG a couple weeks ago, and either I forgot or he forgot or both of us ditched, or I don't know. I don't know what happened, but we had a date night set up and it didn't work out. Pissed I am. Okay, yes. Okay, so we're going to do that in 20 minutes. We're going to see if we can't sort out my network issues. which would be super because it is so frustrating. So I've had a look at this. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to set up a dummy server in order to test everything out. But I think the feedback that I've seen so far on it is that he's kind of thought of everything, which is good. Having a look at this list here, he has not thought of game mode core, which I'm sure I could fix that. So anyways, long story short, the PvE video is coming. Rusty old man with a super chat. Wait, that's still got to be from earlier, right? Yeah, there we go. That's super delayed. Hades, I am checking right now. Okay. I'll hit up with BMG because we had a date. Then I'll hit you up there. I don't normally answer Discord messages when I'm on stream, but being that my network sucks and I can't actually play the game right now, what the hell else are we gonna do? Stupid. Did you get the PayPal fixed on your website? No. I really screwed that up. I really did. There's no question. I talked to, so the guy that built my website before the version it's on right now, when I made the change, he's like, dude, why didn't you call me or let me know that you wanted to make these changes? I would have totally made this all work for you and blah, blah, blah. He's like, I could have done everything that you wanted to do without a problem. And I was like, I thought I was asking for too much is basically what it come down to. So I broke off and I did it all on my own, which I shouldn't have done because he said, like these people are asking for PayPal and you're saying that you can't do it. Like that's a joke. And you're right. That is a joke. He's right. And so the best thing that I can do at this point is give the project back to him and just be like, sorry, can you fix it for me now? I had to try though. I had to see if I could do it on my own. And I mean, the website's good. It's okay. It's just, I know I dropped the ball. Even AI could do a website with PayPal. Yeah, that's true-ish. That is true-ish. In actual fact, PayPal is not easy to deal with as far as getting their code. I know. I'm embarrassed. I should have just let him do it. Sent you the info on the genetics mod in Discord last week. Oh, if you just tagged me in general chat, it would have been better had you sent me a DM. So many things happen in that Discord, like it gets lost so fast. Send me a DM, Travis, right now. Do it right now. I'm waiting. Look, my Discord is open right now. My Discord's open right now. I'm going to check for my direct messages. I have 12 requests. And let me look. Oh, look, I found you. Haha, you're right at the top. That's funny. Let me just make sure that that's actually you. I think that's you. Yeah, based on the context of what you said in there, that's got to be you. Is this Travis? Is this Travis? Oh, it wasn't a DM. Look at me failing all over the place. God. Okay, I will check that out after. Yes, PayPal equals API hooks to have buttons redirect for payments. Yes, they do have that capability. They absolutely do. I will probably want to try again with paying to get on your website again. Do you want to try again with paying to get on your website again? I don't think I understand that question. You want to try again with paying to get on your website again? Try again with getting PayPal? Okay. Yeah, I think I understand what you're asking. I do want to try again. Not try again, I just need to do it. The whole purpose of that was to have everything centralized. And when I was first researching how to do that, having everything going through Stripe made sense, and they sold it to me really well. And they said, oh yeah, sure, we can take PayPal payments, until it was all done and set up. And they're like, oh no, wait, we can't take PayPal payments. Geez, thanks. By then it was already way too late. So here's what's probably going to happen. SVR Gaming, Discord name. You and I were going to figure out how I could pay you to get on your site. Oh. Looking. If you need help testing it, yeah. Okay. So that was back in 2025. This you? No, I'm going to say new phone, who dis? Stripe. And see, Travis, if you knew what I knew, or if you knew, yeah. Stripe is a scam. It's not cool. And the people that are behind it are evil people. I'm not, but I mean, granted, all that being said, though, they are still the world's leading payment processing vendor. Even over above PayPal. So basically, anybody that does anything that's not PayPal, they're using Stripe. So I imagine what's going to happen here, and I'm putting a lot of faith in BMG and Hades as an alternate, that if we can get my network set up properly, I will probably do a couple of test streams to make sure that I can actually do what I need to do. So that's probably what this is going to look like. This stream is totally a bust. I appreciate everyone hanging out for as long as you have. I really appreciate that. I didn't get to any of the context that I wanted to show you guys. But I'm hoping what's going to happen is I'm going to be able to fix my network nonsense and then successfully have a good stream. I'm not saying that I'll be back tonight. You might see a test stream come up tonight or over the weekend. But it's not going to be a full-on thing. So for everybody that did join me for this nonsense stream, I appreciate it. I appreciate the patience. I appreciate everyone sticking with me through it, but I am going to shut the stream down. I'm going to hop into a call with BMG Jet. I'm going to see what we can get sorted out. And maybe the next time we won't have any of these stupid problems. Yeah, it's still cool. I know I could chill with you guys. I could do this all night. Asking questions, answering questions. I love the community. Yeah, everybody hit that like button on the way out. And so until next time, thank you all again so much for watching. I do appreciate it, and I'll see you all again next time.